Okay, well, this is Roger's yellow Norton. He brought it to us because it had been sitting a couple of years, and we got it running pretty good. Kevin's going to do a little stroking, and then we'll rev it and we'll idle it, and basically call her pretty good.
All right, and what this bike likes is sloppy tickle.
Sloppy tickle.
Turn on, no throttle.
No throttle. Sloppy tickle, no throttle. And it is a high compression engine. I tell you what, that was a cold start. That ain't bad.
Yeah.
I mean, seriously, that sucker sat overnight. Okay, you're happy duty with it?
I'm sorry?
You're happy duty with it?
Absolutely, absolutely. You can't beat that.
Let her go?
24 hours later, 2 kicks and she fires out.
Let her go.
Yep.